Hello and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a few weeks. I've been super busy getting ready for the Invert show at Taunton, which was Sunday just gone. This video is about my pickups from the show and also a very special pickup mystery box from one and only Dave Little Beasties. But before we get into that, I just want to show you some of the work that I did for Taunton show, and actually most of this is still available for sale. So if you're interested, please give me a PM on Instagram, Facebook, or put a comment on here and I can get in touch with you. So let's just have a little look. So that's the work I have available for sale, apart from the very small mini domes which are sold and the Silence of the Lambs. The Silence of the Lambs I can make to order, so if you ever want any, please let me know and I can get them sorted for you. But let's get into today's video, the pickups and mystery box. Hope you enjoy it.
Face in your face.
So, last night was the Taunton Invert show, run by Invert Shows UK. Say last night, yesterday even. And this is my pickups that I picked up, including a cool mystery box from Dave's Little Beasties. I've already opened it last night, obviously, to check everything, but we'll get into that a bit later. So first of all, I was gifted from the lovely Leah from Unusual Pets some deaf head hawk moths, caterpillars, which are always cool to have, as mine are still in pupae at the moment. Next up, I was also gifted from the lovely Mark, the spider guy, a little H. Solenus, a scorpion, which he's already gifted me one before, so now I have two. How cool is that? I don't think you can see him very well, but I will take some close-up footage, as always, and let you have a proper look later. But he's a cute little guy anyway. And as you can see, you can't really see it, can you? But thank you very much, Mark. Really appreciate that. It was a very nice gesture. Now, I also bought from the people that were on the next table to me some red runners because I like to start my own colony just to use as feeders because it's much easier than keep buying them from Pets at Home all the time. Next up, from Rick's Bug Room, I bought, well actually I swapped because he bought the Indiana Jones frame from me. So we took this off the mount with the frame. Some orange domino roaches, which I've been after for a while. I can't find them, even though I'm looking for them. But I do have some good footage at the end, so please keep watching for that. But they're really cool. Hoping to get breeding them. Oh, come on, Nat. Just give it up. There we go. On to the next one. So next up, from Phil Incredible Inverts and Other Animals. We actually did a little swap for some beetle domes. I've got 2 pots of the lovely metallic emerald cockroaches. Now I've had some before. I only have a couple left because I had a couple of escapees and one died unfortunately. But I'm hoping to get these breeding, to get my own colony together. That's why I've got 2 pots. Yeah, they're really cool. I love them. So thank you very much, Phil. And I can't get him back in the pot. And there we go, all in. But yeah, please go and check out Phil. He's does some breeds some amazing inverts. Now next up is a true spider I've been after for a while, the Siae, I think it's pronounced, the tiger wandering spider, and I got this from Dave's table, Dave Little Beasties. God, I don't know why I can't say that today. A gorgeous spider, quick as lightning, so that's gonna be fun to rehouse. But yeah, look at the size of that beauty, absolutely gorgeous, love them. And last but not least, let's get into the mystery box. £60 mystery box from Dave. It's when I saw them on the table, I was like, that's it, I got to get one of these, definitely. And we'll just have a look what's in here. So first up we have a Brachypalma Hamori, the Mexican red knee tarantula, priced at £35. Now if you have a look, the size of this sling is big and it's an amazing size sling. They take a long time to grow, so it's nice it's already got some of its adult coloration on there. So well pleased with that. I've got one already, but it's always nice to have them. I love the Brachypalma. There's a coaster. Really cool. I actually have an idea to include this maybe in a piece of work that I might send back to Dave. I think that would look quite cool in the dome, but we'll see. Sticker. Next up we have the Crown Kraken, the Dark Earth Tiger. Never had one of these before, really cool. Try and get some footage of it because it's webbed pretty well in this little pot, but I'm going to rehouse it anyway. But you can just about see it in that tub there, without the glare obviously. And next we have, oh awesome, a little pumpkin patch. I like the large species of one. Yeah, really actually been on my wish list for a while, so I'm well chuffed with that. And you can just about see it in there, not all that well, but I'll get some footage, so like I said, wait till the end and you'll be able to see it. Now I think that's pretty much it, but I actually heard something in the bottom, so you'll have to excuse my faffing about. I was going to edit this out, but honestly it's taken me so long to get a video up. I thought it'd just be easier to leave it in for now. Anyway, yeah, sorry about not having a video for a couple of weeks. It's just been a bit of a crazy time working, but we'll be back on track from now on the Thursday. I've also got the extra little bonus video coming out this Saturday for Jeremy's Wild World Mystery Box and the Bug Hut day out, so that's something to look forward to. Well, I am, because it's taken too long to go. Poor Jeremy. Ah, there we go, and that's what it was. It's a badge, and that's cool. So that's a mystery box. And also I have to say there was a horn baboon sling, quite a large sling, but unfortunately it died. And I spoke to Dave straight away, and he said he'd replace it. But that's, you know, isn't here nor there. I don't really mind, to be honest. The amount of that box already with what was in there is well over £60. And also Dave kindly gifted me basically I think all the dead his dead tarantula specimens he's had for all of his time keeping. And when he passed me the box, I thought it was a few, and it was many. So thank you so much, Dave. Really appreciate that. And now here's some close-ups. I hope you enjoy it. So what an awesome mystery box from Dave Fisher, Dave's Little Beasties. Just want to thank him again for all the dead stock he donated to me. I'm really excited to do some special domes and frames with them. Also, I just want to say it was so lovely to catch up with everyone, meet some new friends, and catch up with old friends, Lee and Terry, obviously, from Unusual Pets, and Phil Barber, Amy. The list goes on. I could be here all day and I won't remember everyone, so sorry. But as always, please subscribe to my channel, really appreciate it. Press that notification bell for future videos and leave any comments below. Let me know what you thought. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bass in your face.